Good morning, children. Welcome all of you in English class. Children, today I will teach you chapter 15, the letter. Today I will start from Dear, laughed Mrs. Clayton, a little hysterically, turning to her husband. You don't happen to be expecting a letter, do you, Charles? I do happen to be, and a very important one, too, returned the man. When lunch on was over, she slipped from the room and ran in the hunt for Rover. They scoured the yard, the street, the house, and the woodshed, finding the culprit at last in the barn asleep under the big automobile of the latter. However, there was not a trace. Dear, if dogs only could talk, moaned Mrs. Clayton. If that should be Denson's letter, mused Mr. Clayton as I locked up the house. If that should be confirmed, it and I know it is. I would swear it is. Serves me right too, I suppose, for telling him to write to me at the house instead of at the office. Confound that little beast of a dog. In this chapter, I have already seen that a letter was missing by mistake, and all were guessing whose letter it may be. They searched him in the house, in the yard, in the street, and at last he was found to the sleeping under the automobile. They asked him about it was where the letter. But he did not know where he had put the letter. Then Mrs. Clayton said with sorrow that the dog could talk, and they found the letter. Mrs. Clayton locked the house and hoped to find that. He said that the letter should be Mr. Denson's letter because he had said to send him at the house, not in the office. मिसेस क्लेटन हंसती हैं और अपने हस्बैंड की तरफ टर्न होकर बोलती हैं कि शायद ये लेटर मिस्टर चार्ल्स का हो सकता है, जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था। और जल्दी से अपना लंच फिनिश करते हैं और मिस्टर क्लेटर जल्दी से जाते हैं और रूम में लेटर को सर्च करते हैं। वे लेटर को घर में, यार्ड में, स्ट्रीट पर सभी जगह सर्च करते हैं, बट लेटर नहीं मिलता है। फिर वो रॉबर को सर्च करते हैं। अंत में रॉबर ऑटोमोबाइल के पाम के नीचे एक आराम से सोया हुआ पाया जाता है। वे उससे लेटर के बारे में पूछते हैं, बट वो लेटर के बारे में नहीं बता पाता। तब मिस्टर क्लेटन कहते हैं शायद ये दुख से कि शायद कुत्ता बोल सकता तो बता देता कि वो लेटर कहाँ है। और वे लेटर को अपने घर को लॉक करते हैं और इस उम्मीद से कि शायद वो लेटर को पा सके, और बोलते हैं शायद ये लेटर मिस्टर डेंसन का हो सकता था क्योंकि उन्होंने उसे घर में भेजने के लिए कहा था, ऑफिस में नहीं। In the southern chamber, Ethel eyed her image in the glass. Now, if that letter should be an invitation from Fred, she said aloud, and when I had so much rather go on that ride with him. Oh dear, where can Rover have put it? Across the hall, James Clayton paced the room from end to end. Great Scott, what if it were May's letter after all? He groaned. What a fool I was to leave it that if I did not hear by Thursday nights, had understand it was no. And then Mr. Ethel saw her image in the mirror in south chamber and said that letter might be invitation from Fred. Oh, where Robert had put it. And in the hall, James Clayton searched from corner to corner, but he did not find the letter, and he groaned and said that it might be May's letter. I have left him on Thursday night and did not hear him. तब एथल की आंखें मिरर में पड़ती हैं, अपने शैडो को देखती है और कहते हैं कि लेटर शायद इनविटेशन फ्रेड के से इनविटेशन हो सकता है। और वो रोबर को ढूंढने लगते हैं लेटर पाने के लिए। कोने कोने घर के ढूंढ पाते हैं, बट लेटर उनको नहीं मिलता। वो दुख से कहते हैं कि शायद ये मैरिज का लेटर हो सकता है, क्योंकि उन्हें उस थर्सडे को उन्होंने उसकी बात नहीं सुनी थी पूरी बात, और वो शायद उसी में कुछ कहना चाहता हो। And now she may have written and be expecting me tomorrow, Wednesday tonight, even, and I not know if tied hand and foot. Oh, hang that dog. Tuesday morning, the family awoke and met at the breakfast table. The air was electric with unrest and the food almost untouched. It was Mrs. Clayton who broke the silence and followed the morning greeting. I don't think I will do much to get ready for the big spice, she began. I am so sure that letter was from them. You mean that Julia? Demanded her husband. Brightening, are you really positive? Yes, really positive. It was about 10 minutes past 5 that afternoon when the four big spies came. There we did get here. They chorused gleefully. Yes, yes, I see, murmured Mrs. Clayton and signed to Ethel to hurry. And he said that letter should be written to call him tomorrow, Wednesday. He said that I want to hang the dog on Tuesday morning. The whole family gathered for breakfast on the table, but they have not eaten. Then Mr. Clayton broke the silence and said good morning greeting to all. She said that she should get ready for big spies. She was sure that letter would be from them, and her husband asked that really she was sure that it was from Julia letter. Into the kitchen and give the alarm to the cook. Then you did not write, right? Why no? Of course not. We were not to. You know if we could come. Yes, yeah. I mean no, stammered Mrs. Clayton, trying to calculate just how long it would take the maid to put the three rooms in order. At 6:30, the family with their guests sat down to a dinner. They showed an unmistakable sign of having been started as a simple one for 6 and finished as a would-be elaborate one for 10. And about 5 o'clock, Big Spy came, and all were very happy to see them. And Mrs. Clayton said to Mr. Ethel to go in the kitchen and inform the cook, and asked about the letter, but he said that he had not written any letter to them. At 6:30, the family and the guests sat for dinner, and they finished at 10 o'clock. It was a very long period for them at dinner. और करीब 5 o'clock पे बिग बाई आते हैं और वे इस लोग बहुत उसे देख कर बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं। मिसेस क्लेटन उनसे पूछती है कि क्या उसने लेटर लिखा था, बट वो कहता है नहीं, उसने कोई भी लेटर नहीं लिखा था। तो वो मिस्टर एथल से कहती किचन में जाए और कुक को इन्फॉर्म करे। और फिर वे लोग डिनर के लिए करीब 6 o'clock पे आते हैं, डिनर के लिए टेबल पे इकट्ठा होते हैं। बहुत लंबा पीरियड लोगों का डिनर के चलता है और 10 बजे तक डिनर तुम लोग का बातचीत चलती रहती है, जो कि बहुत लंबा समय रहता है। एंड चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस लाइन वेरी वेल। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।